Welcome back guys to our brand new video. That's your boy Luke. Today we're gonna talk about tax deductions. If you are somebody you want to know exactly how to fill your taxes, this video is for you. Where we're gonna talk about two types of expenses exist when you become an independent contractor. It doesn't matter what company you work for. As an independent contractor, when it comes to fill your taxes, there's a couple of things you need to know. Your expensive, and there's another one is your mileage. How many miles do you drive? Last year IRS paid 56 cents, but this year they pay 58 cents per mile, guys. That's very good for an independent contractor. That means they're gonna keep more money in your pocket. So to be able to track your expenses, I have a secret I'm gonna share with you. This is exactly what I use for myself. So I just go ahead and purchase a book and I put the 12 months in that book. Every day when I go out, every expense I make, if I make it in January, I go ahead and write it down. So if it was a repair, I put repair. If it was oil change, I put oil change. Every expense that I make for each month, I go ahead and put it in this book. So at the end of the year, I know exactly how much money I spend for gas, how much money I spend for repair, for everything in my car. So to track your mileage in the beginning of the year, you're just gonna go into your odometer. You're gonna take a picture from your odometer and you're gonna save it in your cell phone. At the end of the year, again, you're gonna go back to your odometer and you're gonna take a picture, and the one you take at the end of the year, you're gonna write it down and you're gonna subtract it from the one you take in the beginning of the year, and it's gonna give you the total of the mileage you drive for the entire year. So right now, before I continue, I just want to make the disclaimer: my professional expertise is not a tax preparation. Before you fill in your taxes, please consult with a professional. Let's get started. Here we go, guys. Right now I'm gonna show you the two different types of expenses you should claim in your tax return. So the first one is vehicle expensive and the second one is common operating expensive. And vehicle expensive is it you're gonna put gas or electric. If your car is electric, if your car is gas, put gas. You're gonna put repairs or your change, tires, washes, registration, and you're gonna put insurance, lease payment. If you are somebody lease a car, you're gonna put your lease payment and you're gonna add your phone plan and plus the mileage you drive for the whole year. So for the common operating expensive, you're gonna put wireless plan, passenger threats, parking, tolls, and memberships. So if you are Uber Eats driver, you just work locally, so you're gonna use vehicle expensive. That's it for so if you are somebody driving in the city, I know you're gonna pay for parking. Sometimes you can also claim the parking in your tax return. If you are a rideshare guy, you can combine vehicle expensive with common operating expensive. Please make sure you claim what you use. If you didn't use something for the whole entire year, don't just go ahead claim it in the tax. You know that's fraud. You can get in big trouble for that. There is something called Schedule C when it comes to taxes. This is where happen your profit and your losses. And number one is gonna be how much money you make for the whole year. And the 28, you're gonna go to the 28. That's the losses, and the 29 is gonna be your profit. And your profit, this is where you're gonna pay taxes. So if you are somebody make $9,950, you're gonna pay 10% of tax. But if you make more than $9,950, you're gonna pay 12% of your tax, and so on if you make more. Right now I'm just gonna show you how I fill my taxes. Just an example, is not a real thing, guys. It's just for example to just clarify what I just said. So for example, I make $10,000 for the whole year. I drove 7,000 mileage. For gas, I spend $825. Insurance, I pay $1,260. For oil change, I spend $300. For repairs, I spend $500. Tires, $300. Registration for the year, $200. Washes, $500. Funds plan, $390. I draw 7,000 mileage for the whole year, and I'm just gonna take the 7,000 mileage, tie $0.58. So it's just gonna give me $4,000, $60. So my expensive come for the whole year is come $9,335, and I minus it by the $10,000 that I make, and I have left with $665 because I don't make more than $9,150. So I'm gonna have to pay only 10% of tax. So it's gonna give me $66.50. This is the amount I'm gonna have to pay back to the IRS. For now, if you want to save money by filling your taxes out, go to TurboTax. There's a plan right now for $89, and there's another plan where you're gonna have an expert. They're gonna charge you $199. So if you're the first time you're gonna fill your tax by your own, please make sure you fill it with an expert. So because tax, if you make a mistake, you're on your own, you're gonna have to pay the price. So, and I highly recommend you take an expert if it's the first time you're gonna fill your tax, because I used to pay $294 to fill my taxes with a company, but when I filed TurboTax, is a game changer. So I like TurboTax, and I highly recommend you use it. You will not regret it. Please like this video and comment below. See you to the next video. Peace.